Okay, almost there. Now come the visual effect based class that extend pullable. Some effect, like impact, must align to the mesh normal in order to display correctly. But some other, like flames for burning effect, always point up to the sky. This boolean helps handling both cases. We then have some callback action. Generate is a static helper function that handles effect spawning and positioning logic. I first get the collision point and collision normal. If there is a dispersion value, I randomize position on x, y, and z and make this a new vector free. Dispersed point is the sum of hit point and dispersion vector. I then snap this value to the closest point on the collider. Because the snap point on the collider may be on a different face than the hit point, I do a recast in the direction of the mesh to retrieve the face normal and save it. I request the pool manager for an effect instance. Apply any offset to the position and call trigger function on the effect. Trigger function will call onTrigger callback if anyone registered on it and simply set the game object active. It will be up to the effect prefab to include any specific logic if required. Dispose function will call onDispose callback if anyone registered and call dispose on the base class pullable. I then have three different effect classes that extend effects. They all work kinda the same, but expose different public variables. Effect dot expose an element type and define a pooling key getter along with an assemble ID function in order to create the key used to store effect in the pool. Effect flash expose a weapon type and an element type. Effect impact expose a matter type and an element type.